What's up, everyone? So we will now be unboxing this new package that just has arrived. So this is how you start your diet. I'll say right now, like freshly delivered, and it says here fragile. Now I will like here. Oh, oopsie! Shake the camera, the other camera. Oh no, let's use the scissors. Okay, let's take this up first. This is like important stuff. Papers, I guess. Cut it. Okay, this was delivered by LBC. The following system, but still good. Now we're done with this. The bubble wrap set. We can see a bit of it now, like visibility of the Vimble too. Okay, so how are we gonna do this? So from here, I think this won't work, or maybe it will. Trusty scissors. Oh yeah, feels so good. This is like my most expensive unboxing ever. So yeah, I'll be beginning my diet today. Starting my diet today. I'll be starting to eating less because, you know, if you want to go on a diet, it's basically cutting down. If you want to, you know, lose weight or size and get less of those fats, you really have to cut down, and it's not a secret or something. You just really have to eat less than you used to. I think that's the math. It's the whole math to it. You know, I did ketogenic diet once though. It was effective. It was good. Finally done with the the bubble wraps. It'd be like a year's supply of bubble wraps for me then. Okay, put it aside. Bimbo 2. Guys, look at that. It's just like a 5,000 peso. So no, it's really almost 6,000 peso. Not really. 5,500 peso selfie stick from Lazada. Okay, you can get a better deal, I guess, from Lazada. It's not yet on Shopee if you're from Philippines. And yeah, here it is. Time to really officially unbox the box. First we have to take away, you know, the plastic. Might be bringing this to work. Sure. There it is. We'll be trying it out later. Plastic gun. Box. How do we open this? So it says some stuff here. Like there. This is black, so that's cool. I really didn't opt for any color, so I was hoping to get either gray or black. Or that's actually Snow White, so black's better. Black is back. Yeah. Now to take the box off, just pull this off. And from the other side. Now I'm not sure what to do. Let's see. What else needs to be pulled out? Oh, there it is. And here as well. I'm sweating. This is, oh god, it's like a violin or something. Woo! And let's get rid of this box. And this is a violin. No, not really. It's a solid, nice box. Now if you go traveling around and if you're really there to shoot things, so put scissors aside and that. This is like the perfect holder of things. Whew! Yeah. So let's open it now. This is the unzipping of the Feiyutech Vimble too. Yeah. Almost all stabilizers, almost all mobile stabilizers are the same. Basically, they have almost similar features except for. Oh god, it looks so good. Oh god, it looks so good. Look at this. Another unzipping. So here we got the, I assume, the manual in Chinese and in English. Ta-dam, dum, dum. Okay. Let's put it aside first. Oh, maybe let's scribble through that. Oh, and it's a pull out and everything's there. Alright. Well, let's just check the video manual later. And a warranty card, so that's cool. A warranty card. Of course, it's like almost 6,000 pesos, but it's not really that yet in that range of price. But there is, you know how random the prices are in Lazada, and you really have to pick correctly. So the warranty card's there, and yeah, it's got this micro USB cord with it. So yeah, that's cool. And there's this box. I think this is for the balance thingy, weight thingy. For, you know, if your phone's like super heavy or stuff. Oh no, it's for the tripod stand. Look. Oh yeah, it feels so premium, and it's plastic, rubbery, but it's thick and heavy. So it's cool. That's cool. You know, it'll support it. You know, it'll support it. So you just put it aside. Now. Moment of truth. This is the moment of truth. Damn, I haven't held the stabilizer yet. So this is like my first time holding the stabilizer. Oh, there's something else here. What's this? It's a small box in the corner. Let's take away the small things first. I think there's nothing here. It feels like there's nothing here, but let's open it anyway. Like, it's mini unboxings with it. Oh, there is something here. Yeah. What is this? Oh, it's a hand strap. It's a strap for your hands. Basically, it's a strap. So, you know, you won't drop your semi-expensive stabilizer. You know, look, you know, it's like $100 more, something-ish. $100-ish stabilizer. I just bit that. So here it is. I like the micro USB cord. This is more interesting, I guess. That's all. I think that's all the extras. And the whole thing, the bag is premium and it's soft, hard, thickish thingy that, you know, it's shockproof or something. This is the moment of truth. This is the moment of truth, my friends. There, I have my phone and record right now, so I can't really use it. But oh god, maybe there's battery or something. Let's turn this on. How do you turn this on? Oh, I think this. Oh, it's on. Oh yeah, I think I need to put a phone on it or something. So can you feel that? Did you feel that? It clamped like. Oh god, so good. Okay, so this is it. This is the unboxing. Let's put the bag aside. It's not unbagging or something. Let's put it there. I'm gonna get an extra phone, and let's check it out. So basically, this is a phone. Obviously, this is a phone. And this is like my first time putting a phone here. And this phone is like contained in an incipio casing. This is similar to my phone, basically. A J7 Pro. Samsung J7 Pro. Cool. Look at that. Let's switch up the camera first and everything. So just like selfie sticks. I'm unsure of this. I'm gonna take off the casing first because it's scary if you're doing it first time, and you know you don't wanna destroy your gimbal the first time, right? So how are we gonna do this? Okay, so I think this is way up, and the camera is obviously supposed to face there, and you pull it off like this. Okay, I think that's it. That's about it. Now it's all shaky. Nothing's happening. It's just like that. Now this is the moment of truth, guys. Pressing the on button, and nothing is. Oh! Did you hear that sound? Oh, can you see that now? Can you see that now? Can you see? Where's the lock? Yeah, there's this is the lock key or something, so you can lock it in perspective. Wait, I think the battery is low, so we have to deal with that as well. But there it is. There is it. Look at the panning. Pan, baby, pan, panda. Yeah. Okay, there's the lock mode where you can go like this and that and that and that. Oh my god, so good. And this is the most important part. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. It's like a selfie stick, but it's not really a selfie stick. It's gimbal. It's a gimbal selfie stick. It's sticking with a bit of bread, but it's great. It's just amazing. Now we're gonna be trying it out, vlogging with it. But for as of now, this is going to be just like a test preview of everything this gimbal could do. This is my first time holding a gimbal, by the way, so this is like all the intuitive things that you can do with a gimbal. Like, it's not, well, it is intuitive, you know. I am me. I haven't looked at the manual yet. It's quite heavy, actually. It's heavy. I think that's good because it's supposed to be a bit heavy, so you can feel it. It's actually rubbery plastic, but it's heavy, really heavy. There's metalish, titaniumish, carbon fiberish thingy here for the sticks. But really, I might be just shooting it mostly like this. Rarely am I taking selfies, but I don't know right now. With this gimbal, I probably would be taking plenty more. And yeah, so that's quite cool. Yeah, this is amazing. I think there are a lot of ways to adjust these things. Oh my god, I'm not sure what's happening there. Okay. Oh yeah, so that's cool. I think this would be perfect for transitions and everything, and the videos would be super fucking smooth. Yeah. And yeah, that's about it. This is, oh good, it's alive. Well, this is about it for the Vimble 2. Okay guys, so this is the Vimble 2. Oh my god, it's alive. I think I have to switch it off. Whew. The Vimble 2 unboxing. I'm sweating, I hope you enjoy that. I'm enjoying this. Oh my god, it just had a seizure. Did you see that? Okay, I think I'm spending too much time with this now, so I'm gonna try it out outside. Like really, as a camera right now. With the camera, with my phone. And you know, finish this unboxing and see you later, see you around, subscribe, click the bell button and everything. Click the belly button. Click the bell button for notification for new videos, new uploads, vlogs, unboxings, and crazy new stuff. So, see you around guys, and what was that? Have a great day. So basically, you probably want to use this with an iPhone 7 or something else, or an iPhone 10. I'm using the Vimble 2 stabilizer right now, and it's killing it. It's killing the whole thing. It's perfectly stable. Look at me. And my phone is a J7 Pro, so it's a Samsung J7 Pro. That means that it's got no form of image stabilization, maybe electronic, but that just plainly sucks basically. Right now though, it's with the Vimble 2. So it's like selfie stick. Basically, it's a stabilizer with a selfie stick feature. But I can get the camera through anything and basically have it move the right way.